Hey everybody, I wanted to show you this really cool feature in Kadence, and it's called an image mask. And I'm just going to throw a row layout in here and an image. And let's just grab this image and I'm going to center it so we can really see it. And now if you come over to the image editor and hit style, and there is a drop down called mask settings. I'm going to just hit that, and then we have all of these masks shapes that we can put on our image. So we have a circle, a diamond, hexagon, rounded shape, some blobs, and then this one, which is custom. And what you do is just select an image. So you have to pick something nice and simple. I got this star image from online, and I just add that on. And there it is. It looks cool. We can change the size. I haven't really played with that, but looks like auto is the best one. And then you can play with the centering of it, however artsy you want to get. I haven't tried this one. Repeat. That's kind of strange. Um, but yeah, that's it. That's a quick, fun little way to liven up your Cadence website. Thanks. Bye.